Hello, my name is Omar Gamal Ghanem. I'm coming from Egypt. This is my first year here in Barcelona studying business management in C3S Business School. I'm really enjoying this experience so much, and I'm enjoying the vibes in the school. It's really amazing. Everybody's really helping us. Everything is easy. They're doing anything. If you have any question, if you have any problem, they're really like helping us to solve it as soon as possible. And it's also like regarding the experience here in Barcelona and at the college itself, it's really amazing, and I'm enjoying it so much.